What's up everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to add the 2CHECKOUT payment method on your Shopify online store. 2CHECKOUT is a great payment method or payment gateway that supports lots of popular different cards, and it will be great to add it to your Shopify online store. So let's get to it. First, I have my Shopify store here opened. I have my Shopify account and I'm signed in with my account here. And what you want to do is go to settings here, and then from settings go to payments. And in payments you'll see here that the default payment method is through PayPal, and however it's inactive. You can go ahead and click on activate PayPal to activate it. So I'll show you here real quick. So I'll activate PayPal checkout here to click on the bottom to activate it. It'll open the PayPal page here, and it will load up, and then it'll ask me to enter my email and then my password to sign in and link my PayPal account to my Shopify store. However, if I want to add like payments by card, so let's say I want to add this option to the client to pay by card, I'll need to add another method. So here I'll click on add payment method, and then I'll search by provider, and let's type in 2. Okay, here it is the second option, the 2CHECKOUT converter. I'll click on it, 2CHECKOUT convert plus by Verifone here, and as you can see it supports lots of popular cards. So let's click here to activate it. Okay, activate. Okay, it'll give you like some information and the account status, and I need here to click on connect to connect my account. Click on connect here, and once I do, it'll open the Shopify web store, and it will ask me to install the 2CHECKOUT app here to link it, or to add the like payment method. So I'll click on install app. Now it'll open like the Verifone or the site for the 2CHECKOUT. So it'll ask me to enter the merchant code and the secret word and the order title, all of which I can get from my 2CHECKOUT account. So here I have to go to the 2CHECKOUT web page. Okay, so here I'm on the 2CHECKOUT web page here, and I'll go ahead and sign in to my account. Okay, now I'm on my like 2CHECKOUT dashboard. Now to get the secret word and the merchant code and secret word and so on, I'll need to go to integrations. So if I go to integrations and then click on webhooks and API, and now here I have the merchant code is shown here. I can copy it and then paste it here. Okay, and now the secret word, let's scroll down. Here I have the secret word. I can here generate it. Click on generate to generate a new secret word, and then copy it and paste it here. Okay, now the order title, okay, I can enter anything or leave it as blank. Okay, let's update the settings. Okay, looks like something is wrong with the website, or I don't know what is. However, once I entered my merchant code and like the secret word and linked them together, I can go ahead into like the Shopify account, and here I can activate the 2CHECKOUT convert. And when I do, I can choose the cards that I want to enable, like MasterCard, Visa, American Express, and so on. Or I can enable them all if I want to, and then I can activate the 2CHECKOUT method so that I can accept payments by card. So that is basically how easy it is to link your 2CHECKOUT account or 2CHECKOUT payment method to enable the 2CHECKOUT payment method on your Shopify store.